Hi guys, I thought I'd do a quick video on the 9 EMA or the 9 exponential moving average. Not sure if you already know this, but a nice little tip if you don't. The 9 EMA it really holds a significant importance to traders due to really its responsiveness in the market. A lot of people use simple moving averages, but these give equal weight to all data points. They're pretty simple and don't really represent actual movement that's taking place now. The EMA places more emphasis on recent data, and as a day trader, you want recent data. Really valuable tool looking for capturing short-term price trends. This characteristic is also used by me and a lot of other day traders really for changing market conditions, for getting into the market, for getting out of the market, maximizing risk and profit. Well, not maximizing risk, reducing risk and maximizing profit. It acts as really a bit of a dynamic support level and resistance level, and it gives you crucial data for your entry and your exit points. I'll show a little example in a minute of entry and exit points using the 9 EMA, but if you're not already using this tool, please use it. It will enhance everything that you're doing. By incorporating the 9 EMA into your analysis, you'll gain valuable insight into what's happening in the environment so you can make the right decisions when you are trading. So come on, I will put a screen on and I will share a screen and I'll show you what I mean. Okay, get this shared. Right, so we've got a screen up here. This is a Kiwi USD. This is a trade that was took a lot earlier, and I'm going to show you the 9 EMA and how we use it. So quite blank screen at the moment. Let's assume that we traded this. I'll just quickly show you. I'll put a fracker up. So there we are. We've got a fractal coming down here, but we don't know where the profit take might be. If we want something better than 1-to-1, then you want a better profit target. You want something that you can aim for. So let's put the 9 EMA up. So we'll put the 9 EMA up. So of course, the trade here was a break of the fractal here. We're trading below the 9 EMA, boom, and we've got a potential profit take. But where would you take the profit if you wanted to come in and trade this market for more than a 1-to-1? So your 1-to-1 is a break here, and there you go, 1-to-1. But if you wanted something 1-to-2, 1-to-2.5, then you need to use something else to guide you. There's lots of things you can use. There's a 2.5% easy money, but one thing we like to use in trading, my trading room, that we use, this is a soft resistance level because it's a resistance that's happened prior to the last move, so I'll call that a soft resistance level. These would be hard resistance levels into here and into here, but we want to get a nice little tickle there, a nice little trade. So really, what do we use the 9 EMA? Well, there's a few things we can use. We can wait till the 9 EMA comes down to resistance level and breaks the body, in other words, the close of this Icon candle wouldn't need to close with the 9 EMA to get you out. But we don't do that, or we get into the micro level on the 9 EMA because the 9 EMA gives a really good dynamic signal when you are trying to extend your trade. So we can see this soft level here. We know the market's going to come down. We know that we're going to get some sort of reaction. So once you've entered the trade, you've made it risk-free, you are letting the trade run. As soon as you see it starting to come into these levels, drop down into the 5-minute, something I marked up previously, so I don't have to do it in front of you, is looking at the market here coming down. So we're trading the market down. And as you can see here, the market has come down into the soft resistance level. And as you can see here, If I can zoom this up a little bit, let's zoom that up so you can see. When the candle breaks the 9 EMA after the bounce into here, then there's your exit. So your exit on maximizing your profit is a break of the 9 EMA. So take your profit, and a great way of stretching your trade as far as you can go into a nice resistance level, then boom, you're taking your profit round about here. Or just if you want to keep it in the same time frame, you are taking your profit just about there. Just stop that share for one moment. Oh, I'm back. Right, so hope that helps. Nice short video showing you how to get out and maximize your profit. I will do another video showing you how to get in using the 9 EMA. Very, very important exponential moving average. If you're a day trader and don't use it, you may as well be trading with one hand behind your back. If you like this, please support the channel, subscribe, give it a like, send me some comments, see what you think. This is what we do in our live trading room every day. And this is how we take money or extend our profits. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll put another few out soon. Bye-bye.